Yeah, hello, good evening, my people. Good evening. How was your Christmas? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas in arrears. Yes. Happy Boxing Day. I guess today's Boxing Day. Um, you can see this is my result from this is your girl, Vivian. I want to just show you my trade for today. Being 26th, I just check. I know it's supposed to be holiday, but we'll just give it a try. Today's supposed to be a holiday, I just give it a try. Like, let me see how it's gonna be. I'm not advising anyone to trade on holiday, but you can see, I just tried. I look at the chart on gold. I saw something on gold. So when I saw this gold is for sell, is for buy. This is a buy, and I went in for a buy. You can see I'm sitting at $92, and I saw, let's go and check for USD card. You see, I saw that the thing too was just going down. I was like, look at it, it's holiday. Can't we have, something beautiful? I know that the market will so be volatile, during holiday. It will be volatile. That's why they say you should be careful. The spread may be much, some commissions may be much, you understand? It may be crazy. But I just gave it a try. I saw, see USD cut. Everything is just going down, 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 down. The reason, I don't really know. I didn't go further to make research. But when I saw the chart, I just go in for a sell because I saw it. See, you can see the chart. You can see the way it's just going south. As I saw everything was just going south, I quickly enter, and I'm sitting at 79 USD for USD card. But for gold, you can see, it's fluctuating, and the total we're sitting at, profit of 162. It's still fluctuating, so it's a good one. It's just a try. Disclaimer, I don't say you should go and trade though. I just risk it. For just a trial purpose, and why not? Look at gold. You see, I'm showing you gold. How gold, see the way this one is going south. See gold again. Gold is going north. You can see it's just going up. I just went in for a buy, and this market was still going buy. You can see, I don't know whether it's the festive period, whether it's holiday that cross it. If you really know the reason, let me know your reason on the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Why is just the goal, why is gold just going nuts? And for this USD card that I just saw the chart, I think other charts too, I didn't really check for other charts. I wish I had time to still go through. I know I may see some opportunities. So you can see we're sitting on $160. I'm going to leave it play till it take up my profit, because I know it's gonna hit my profit the way the charts are really going. So thank you, my lovelies. Have a night rest. Enjoy your holiday. For some people, I guess today will be the end of the holiday. Tomorrow work continues. For those that holiday continues tomorrow, enjoy your holiday. Thank you. Till I come again next time with yet another beautiful video. So if I think once in a while, once I'm entering trade, I may enter trade with you people. You may see how I'm entering my trade. For those that want to follow, my trade and make some money, why not? So thank you so much. I know within short time this thing will pick the profit. Within short time this trade will be closed. So $158 is not bad. So thank you my people. Till I come with yet another video. Thank you and bye.